Okay, so we have this problem here. The first thing I want to figure out is when I expand it, what my coefficients are going to be. So to do that, we're just going to reference the binomial expansion formula from the notes. And my coefficients are going to be the leading one will be 4 choose 0, then 4 choose 1, then 4 choose 2, 4 choose 3, and 4 choose 4. So this is going to give me coefficients of 1, 4. This is 4. This is 1. I'll figure out this one in just a second. This is off the top of my head. I'm drawing a blank. 4 choose 2 is 6. There we go. So those are my coefficients. And then I know that I'm going to start here with, I'm going to write this in a kind of a strange manner. I'll simplify it in a second. But it's going to be this first thing to the fourth power, and then descending powers of that down to 0. So I'll start with x squared to the fourth power. I really should space these out better. X squared to the third power, x squared to the second power, x squared to the first power, x squared to the 0 power. And then I'll do the reverse with the other term in the parentheses. This will be square root of x to the 0 power, square root of x to the 1 power, square root of x to the 2 power, square root of x to the third power, square root of x to the fourth power. Now, as ugly as that is because I wrote them so small, it's just a matter of simplifying and cleaning up each term. So here, the one we can disregard. I have x squared to the fourth. That's x to the eighth. Something to the 0 power is 1. So that's going to be my first term. Here I have 4. X squared to the third power. That's x to the sixth. Times x to the 1/2 to the 1 would be x to the 1/2. Plus, this is all plus, by the way, 6 x to the fourth, square root of x squared is just going to be x, plus 4x squared, x to the 1/2 to the third is x to the 3/2, plus 1, something to the 0 power is 1, so that goes away. X squared, the square root of x to the fourth will be x squared. Almost there. Now I just have to combine these x's in each of these terms. X to the eighth plus, I'm multiplying common bases, so this is x to the 6.5, 6.5, plus 6x to the fourth plus x to the first is x to the fifth, plus 4 x to the 2 plus 3/2. That's 4/2 plus 3/2, that's 7/2, that's 3.5. Plus x squared. So that ugly thing will be your answer.